Hello, this is a short video just to explain how to change the settings on a McLean GreasePak drain dosing unit. The GreasePak has a door that opens. This is where your boxes of fluid will go into. To change the settings on the unit, you do need to remove the front cover. So if you remove the two screws here, front cover lifts off, and what you can see inside is the dispense tube, solenoid valve. This is the battery pack, and this is the section we're looking at here, which is the PCB. So if you take a look at the PCB, you see the battery is connected by means of a plug here. If you are changing the battery at any time, it's a good idea to hold the plug and you just lift out like so. To put the new battery in place, plug it back in, and always check with this button on the top that says close to make sure that the valve is closed, otherwise you will lose your fluid. So to change the settings, we have three settings on the board. The first setting says clock, so the left hand button shows what the time of day is. It's a 24-hour clock, so if you press and let go, you will see in the window a number show. If you want to change the clock, just press the button, keep it held down, and the PCB will scroll round to the correct time of day. It's within an hour of the time of day that you're using, so if for instance it was 8 o'clock at night, there we go, we're set on 20. The other two buttons here are for delivery of the fluid. So the middle button that says start, that shows you what time the fluid's actually going to dispense. We recommend that the fluid dispenses around an hour after everybody has finished using the kitchen, so it will do its thing when nobody is there. So for instance, if the time of day is 8 o'clock, you finish at 8 o'clock and you then want to dose the unit at 9 PM, again pressing and holding the button down will scroll through and you can see that it's a 24-hour clock. When it gets to 21, let go, press to check, and it's set at 21. So it's telling us that it's 8 o'clock at night and it's going to dose at 9 o'clock. The only other button to look at here is the right hand button that says volume. Now this allows you to change the rate at which the unit doses. So it's the volume of fluid for every dose that it does. There are four settings. If you press the button and hold it, you'll see it will scroll round to 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 being the highest setting, 1 being the shortest setting. From a factory setting for a standard operation, the unit will be set at number 2. But again, if you need more fluid and you want to change it, as with the clocks, you can hold it down. When it gets to the desired level, let go, press and release, and it will check to see that it's set. We'll bring that around to 2. That's set at 2. That's the unit finished. It's remembered its settings, no issue there. Just to replace the cover, one thing to check, when the cover goes back on, there are catches on the bottom, so it's always a good idea to offer the unit up at the bottom first and then put it into place, or your screws will be reinserted. Thank you very much.